Welcome back to Today. We've got a fantastic topic lined up for you: stock market for beginners. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of stocks but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. We'll simplify the complex, demystify the jargon, and get you on your way to becoming a savvy investor. So, stay tuned. 1. Why invest in stocks? Before we dive in, let's talk about why you should consider investing in stocks. Firstly, historically, stocks have shown remarkable growth over time. Just take a look at this graph. It's been on an upward trajectory for decades. And secondly, some of the wealthiest people in the world have made their fortunes through stocks. Names like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk come to mind. It's a proven path to wealth. 2. What are stocks? Now, let's break it down. What exactly are stocks? At its core, a stock represents ownership in a company. When you own a share of stock, you own a piece of that company. Stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. These exchanges are the marketplaces where investors trade shares. 3. How to buy stocks. Now that you know what stocks are, let's talk about how you can buy them. Navigating a user-friendly online brokerage website. Host, on camera. To purchase stocks, you'll need to open an account with a brokerage firm. Many online brokerages offer user-friendly platforms that make it easy to buy and sell stocks. Once you're set up, it's as simple as selecting the stock you want, specifying the number of shares, and clicking Buy. 4. Risk and reward. Of course, with great potential comes great responsibility. Let's talk about the risk and reward of stock market investing. Stocks can be volatile. Prices can go up and down, sometimes dramatically. But with that volatility comes the potential for significant gains. To mitigate risk, consider diversifying your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. 5. Tips for beginners. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for beginners. Always do your research. Understand the companies you're investing in and their financial health. Take a long-term perspective. Stock market investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Patience pays off. And there you have it, folks, a crash course on the stock market for beginners. Remember, every investor starts somewhere. Don't be afraid to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Make sure to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Until next time, happy investing!